is 3rd of April 2025. We will see the practical code. The theoretical side of thing is linear regression, the linearity, the linear combination works between argument, and multicolinearity is not working. And for after the linear regression, we can check it using quantile PP plot, which is using quantile related function will be PPF. If it is y equal x, then theoretical distribution and sample distribution has same normal distribution, and also R2, and which is same with correlation coefficient and n equals to 1. It is similar with same with SSR over ST. With use of this, we will measure goodness of fitness, and there's also for each of variables we can check whether it is significant or not. This one, how can we check it? Let's assume we have n sampling. Each of sampling we had 100 samples. Then we will get each of beta 0 hat and beta 1 hat, and we will get the distribution for this. And we can say there's some x and y hat. For this, we can calculate b hat, and we can, based on b hat, we can also calculate covariance of b hat or variance of b hat. And while calculating b hat, sigma square is not able to calculate. We can get it, so we can change it to MSE, which equals to yi minus y squares over n minus 2. Then this VIF come out. This is also important for checking whether a multicolinearity exists or not. And we can calculate based on this BJ hat. We can calculate BJ hat in which way? Maybe a beta hat component. So we can FE BJ hat based on variance of BJ hat. We can calculate calculative statistic. We can compare it with based on our significant value. We can compare it with a significant value. We can compare it with a critical value based on our significant level is alpha equals to 0.01 or alpha equals to something. We will see the code right now. And also residual plot, which is when variance get increased, whether residual is same or residual get smaller or increase. If residual get increased or decreased, we can say there is bias on the data. Okay, we imported and functions. We will use petrol columns, which has tax, income, highway, and license. For petrol consumption is y variable. So like what we saw with, we are calculating x transpose x matrix and inverse matrix to calculate the variance of beta. And beta, we can calculate it by matrix multiplication. We can think it moved to other side of matrix, so we can predict value, and we can get SSE, which is y minus y prediction sum, or MSE, and we can also get SST, y and means square, or y prediction minus y means square, which is SSR. And we can also calculate the MP.diagonal, and we can check it. But in this case, p-value, we can calculate it by 1 minus statistics. CDF, p-value, critical value, and very degree of freedom, and we should multiply it by 2 because it's both side calculation, and we can check goodness of fitness. This is checking with R square, and we can check coefficient and intercept. Coefficient will be beta 1, intercept will be beta 0, and we can calculate R2 and adjusted R2 to SSE and SST. We reflect the degree of freedoms. So how the result will check here? We make list here. Let's just start to. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah. And we can make histogram. So whether based on histogram, we using residual between predicted value, we can make histogram. And this is SSDSSR. And this is QQ plot using Q quantile and percentile.